Welcome back to TechKidFX for another Hbar price prediction update, and in this video I'll be giving you the latest developments that have been happening here on the Hbar chart, which at the time of this recording has lost a significant high at around the $0.0808 mark. We have also lost the 20-day MA here on the daily chart, which is now acting as resistance. We have also continued to obey the Elliot structures, and before I get further into the technical analysis and also give you my next price targets here on the Hbar chart, first give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership, and allow me to continue with the video here on the daily chart by first giving you a recap of what has been happening, where you can see that Hbar, from these low prices that we had been trading within, we saw that massive bounce to the upside obeying the Elliot structures, where you can see that we saw the all-time high in what I'm terming as that first wave to the upside. And after seeing the all-time high, we started the bear market, where we had been seeing lower prices in this ABC corrective structure in a move that gave us a low at around the $0.0356 mark in what I'm terming as the low for that higher Elliot wave count 2 to the lower side. And after seeing the low for that second wave to the lower side, whatever we expect here on the long-term scenarios is the start of a massive bounce to the upside in the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 3. And here on the daily chart, I have target areas to the upside in the formation of that wave 3 at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $0.9768 mark, and that is the minimum that I'm expecting that wave 3 to the upside to do. And once we see the high for that wave 3, then we can expect a corrective structure in the formation of that wave 4, then continue pushing even higher in the formation of that wave 5. And jumping to the 4-hour chart to give you the short-term scenarios and also my next price targets here on the Hbar chart. Here on the 4-hour chart, you can see that after making our lower low down there at around the $0.0356 mark, we started this massive bounce to the upside in a move that had been obeying the Elliot structures, where you can see that I have this Elliot structure in yellow, having that as the first wave, then a wave 2, a wave 3, giving us a peak at around the $0.0808 mark. And after seeing the high for that wave 3, we expected a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 4, and using the Fibonacci's connecting them from the low of the second wave to the high of that wave 3, that gave me a minimum retracement area in the formation of that wave 4 between the fib level 0.382 and the fib level 0.5, which lies between the $0.0639 mark and the $0.0587 mark, which is a target area that we have fully maximized in the formation of this wave 4. And after seeing the low for that fourth wave, we started this massive bounce to the upside in the formation of that wave 5 in a move that has now given us a peak at around the $0.0989 mark. And after seeing the high for that wave 5, we completed an even larger Elliot wave count 1 to the upside. And after seeing the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 1 to the upside, according to the Elliot wave structures, whatever we expect next is a corrective structure in the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 2, and I believe that is what is playing out here on the Hbar chart. And using the Fibonacci's connecting them from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, that gives me a minimum retracement area in the formation of that larger Elliot wave count 2 between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.618, and it is within this yellow target area down here that I'm expecting to see the low for that second wave, and that target area lies between the $0.0671 mark and the $0.0596 mark, and it is within that yellow target area that I'm expecting to see the low for that second wave, which is a corrective wave. And because of its corrective nature, I'm also expecting to see an ABC corrective structure also play out, having the wave C fully maximizing our target areas to the lower side in the formation of that larger Elliot wave count 2. And here on the charts, you can see that I'm terming that as the wave A, then a wave B giving us a peak at around the $0.0935 mark, and I'm expecting one more leg down in the formation of this wave C to fully maximize our target area in the formation of that higher Elliot wave count 2. And for that move to also play out, I'm expecting to see a break below the key significant high at around the $0.0808 mark, which at the time of this recording we have lost. We have also lost the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, meaning it's now acting as resistance and also fully supporting lower prices in the formation of this wave 2, and sketching out a minimum target area to the lower side in the formation of this wave C using a trend-based Fibonacci, connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the high of that wave A to the low of that wave A, then dragging the fibs to the high of that wave B. That gave me a minimum target area to the lower side in the formation of that wave C at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $0.0608 mark, and that is the minimum that I'm expecting Hbar to do in the formation of that wave 2. So that is what I'm expecting here on the short-term scenarios. My primary scenario is that we are going to continue seeing lower prices in the formation formation of this wave 2, and once we fully maximize our target area in the formation of that wave 2, expect an explosive move to the upside in the formation of a larger Elliott wave count 3 to the upside. So that is what I'm expecting here on the short-term scenarios. And also taking a look at the indicators here on the RSI, we are trading at around the 31 mark, meaning we have massive room for us to fully support lower prices in the formation of that wave 2 on the RSI. Also taking a look at the MACD, we have been able to print a bearish cross, and we're also seeing an increase in the selling momentum here on the MACD, fully supporting lower prices in the formation of that wave 2. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.